Hello everyone, welcome back to English Room.
Hi, friends. How are you today? We hope you're doing great.
If you can understand English but find it hard to speak, this lesson is for you.
Yes, many learners understand English words, videos, or songs, but when they try to speak, their mind goes blank.
Don't worry, that's totally normal.
In today's video, we'll share 10 powerful tips to help you start speaking English with confidence, even if you're shy or scared.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to unlock your English voice.
So, make sure you watch till the end and subscribe to English Room for more simple, fun lessons every week.
Main lesson. Tip 1. Stop worrying about mistakes. Tip number 1. Stop worrying about mistakes.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers.
That's right. Mistakes are not bad. They are your best teacher.
When you make a mistake, you learn something new.
For example, if you say, he go to school, and someone corrects you, he goes to school, you'll never forget it again.
So don't be afraid. Speak, make mistakes, and learn.
Repeat after us. It's okay to make mistakes.
Again, it's okay to make mistakes.
Tip 2. Think in English.
Tip number 2. Think in English.
Many learners think in their native language first and then translate into English. That takes time.
Exactly. If you want to speak faster, start thinking in English directly.
For example, when you wake up, say in your head, "Good morning. I'm going to brush my teeth."
Or when you're cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. I'm making tea.
The more you think in English, the easier it becomes to speak.
Try it today. Even small thoughts in English help a lot.
Tip 3. Listen every day. Tip number 3. Listen to English every day.
Listening helps your brain learn sound, rhythm, and pronunciation naturally.
You can listen to English podcasts, short YouTube videos, songs, or movies.
The more you listen, the more natural your English becomes.
Listen for 10 to 15 minutes every day, even if you don't understand everything.
Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen and enjoy.
Repeat after us. Listening helps me speak better.
Again, listening helps me speak better.
Tip 4. Speak out loud every day.
Tip number 4. Speak out loud every day.
Many learners study English but never speak it.
Yes, but to speak English, you must actually speak, not just read or listen.
You can talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing.
For example, I'm walking to work. I'm cooking dinner.
Don't wait for someone to practice with. You are your best partner.
Just open your mouth and speak. Every single day.
Tip 5. Learn whole sentences, not just words. Tip number 5. Learn sentences, not only words.
For example, don't just memorize the word hungry. Learn the full sentence, I'm hungry.
Or not just book, but I'm reading a book.
Sentences help you speak faster because your brain remembers them like ready-made blocks.
You can reuse them easily when you talk.
So next time you study English, write full sentences, not just single words.
Tip 6. Shadow native speakers. Tip number 6. Shadow native speakers.
Shadowing means listening to someone and repeating what they say at the same time.
You can watch a short English video and repeat the sentences out loud. Try to match the tone and rhythm.
It's like echoing. For example, if someone says, "How are you today?" you immediately say, "How are you today?"
This helps your pronunciation, accent, and confidence.
It's one of the best ways to sound more natural in English.
Tip 7. Read aloud. Tip number 7. Read aloud.
Reading out loud is a simple but powerful exercise.
You can read a story, an article, or even your English textbook. Just read it aloud.
When you do this, your mouth and tongue practice English sounds.
And your brain connects reading and speaking together.
Do this for 5 minutes every day. You'll feel more confident very soon.
Tip 8. Practice with a partner. Tip number 8. Practice with a partner.
Speaking with another person helps you use English in real life.
You can find a speaking partner online, in your class, or even a friend who also wants to learn.
Ask simple questions like, "How was your day? What did you eat? What do you like to do on weekends?"
Keep your conversations simple. Don't worry about grammar.
Just focus on speaking and understanding each other.
Tip 9. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Tip number 9. Repeat everything.
Repetition makes English automatic.
The more you repeat, the faster you speak without thinking too much.
For example, take one simple sentence, like, "I go to work at 8 a.m., and say it 5 times a day.
Morning, afternoon, evening. Just repeat it.
Soon, you'll be able to say it instantly without translation.
Tip 10. Believe you can do it. And the last one. Tip number 10. Believe in yourself.
Confidence is the key to speaking English well.
Even if your grammar isn't perfect, speak.
Even if your accent is different, speak.
The most important thing is communication, not perfection.
Tell yourself, "I can speak English."
Repeat after us. I can speak English.
Again, "I can speak English."
Yes, you can.
Now it's time for you to practice.
We'll say some English speaking challenges, and you repeat after us. Ready?
Challenge 1. I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
Challenge 2. I can think in English.
Challenge 3. I speak English every day.
Challenge 4. I can do it.
Great job.
Now, let's do a quick role play. I'll ask you a question, and you answer out loud, okay? What do you do every morning?
Excellent. Next one. What do you like to do in your free time?
Great. See, you're speaking English right now.
Let's review today's 10 tips to help you speak English confidently.
Tip 1. Stop worrying about mistakes.
Tip 2. Think in English.
Tip 3. Listen every day.
Tip 4. Speak out loud every day.
Tip 5. Learn sentences, not just words.
Tip 6. Shadow native speakers.
Tip 7. Read aloud.
Tip 8. Practice with a partner.
Tip 9. Repeat again and again.
Tip 10. Believe in yourself.
These 10 steps will help you go from understanding English to actually speaking it confidently.
Remember, practice a little every day, and your progress will surprise you.
So friends, if you understand English but can't speak, now you know what to do.
Start with 1 or 2 tips today. Maybe think in English or talk to yourself for 5 minutes.
And little by little, you'll unlock your English voice.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to English Room for more easy and fun English lessons.
Also, tell us in the comments, which tip was your favorite?
And what's the biggest problem you face when speaking English? We'd love to help.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
You're doing amazing. Believe in yourself, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, friends.